Welcome back to day 2 of my YouTube challenge, where I'm challenging myself to get on camera every single day. Today we're gonna make apple cider syrup. It's a quick and easy recipe that you can make in no time at all that captures the essence of fall. Okay, there's a couple things you need to know about the recipe. It takes about an hour from start to finish, so make sure you have enough time set aside to let it really simmer down. The process is simple. You just take anywhere from 2 cups to a half a gallon of real high quality apple cider, add it to a saucepan, bring it to a boil, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for about an hour. As it starts to cook, it'll thicken, and then as it's nearing the end, it will develop this nice syrupy texture. Now, you might be wondering, what do you do with this apple cider syrup? My 2 favorite uses for it are in my yogurt and on vanilla ice cream. It's delicious.